today we are meeting one mastermind and also the father of the idea, who told his idea in a sauna that there are Nazis on the moon and he wants to make a movie about it. Let's meet Jarmo Puskala.
So, we're here on the abandoned former secret Nazi moon base on the dark side of the moon. It's a place I first imagined, I think, about 10 years ago. So, you can imagine it's really weird actually walking here. I mean, on the first film, we only had money to build the floors and maybe some railings and stuff that we could grab. But now there's actually hallways and real moon base. But it won't be here for long. I mean, it's been abandoned. All the shots are taken and now it's just waiting to be torn down. It actually makes me a little bit sad. But hey, where could you put a moon base? I don't have enough place for a moon base in my home. And, well, it wouldn't be that much a nice place to live anyway. I mean, it's of course nice to visit, but being on the moon, there's simply no atmosphere.
Stay